Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the default category of your YouTube channel. So this is actually really handy, and I'd really recommend doing this as it does help your channel to rank and get recognized by the YouTube algorithm. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what I'm going to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser and come across to youtube.com. If you haven't already, just go ahead and sign into your account. And then what you need to do is click your profile icon up in the top right hand corner. And then just come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So it's actually fairly simple to do this, and as I say, I would highly recommend it because it does help with your channel getting ranked by YouTube and getting recognized by the algorithm and sort of getting your videos bumped up. So what you need to do is actually, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is come down and click onto the settings button down here. That's going to load up a new window. And all we're going to do is click onto Upload Defaults, which is here in the menu on the left-hand side. And then what you want to do is click onto, at the top, you want to click onto Advanced Settings. And you'll see you've got a few different options there. To actually change the default upload category, you'll see there's a box here, category. So at the moment, I've got mine set to how to and style because I predominantly teach people how to use digital programs, technology, things like that. That's the most appropriate category for me. But what you need to do is just click on this drop down box and you'll see it's going to give you a list of options. So you just want to scroll down and select the one most relevant to you. If you don't find one on here that's exactly what your content is about, then just select one that's basically the most similar to yours. For example, if you was doing like a gaming YouTube channel but it was more just about, I don't know, like Nintendo or Fortnite or just a specific content niche within gaming, you would just go ahead and click the gaming niche, because even though it's predominantly content about Fortnite or Nintendo, there's obviously not that much of a narrowed down niche. It's just more like a wider, more broad niche. So yeah, all you need to do is literally choose the most appropriate one for your channel. So say for mine, it's how to and style. I could have gone for science and technology, but mine's more how to and style. So that's one I selected. And once you've selected that, you need to click the save button down here. Mine's obviously grayed out because I haven't changed anything. That's how it always has been. But you'll see if I actually change this to gaming, it's going to come up and highlight the save button. So you just click that to save your changes. And that's going to change your default upload category. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.